marketplace with Frankie the baker. What are we making?
We're making Italian ricotta cookies. Butter, sugar, and you're gonna mix.
All right, so far so good.
Yeah.
This isn't so bad.
Lower the speed so you don't get egg on your face.
That's what would happen
Drop
to
it
me.
in. You're gonna stop the machine, put the ricotta in.
And this is what makes it special.
Just break everything apart.
The cookies I make usually come like
Done.
kind of made already.
Yeah.
You know, well, you're inspired. You're inspiring me. I could do this.
So here we go with the flour. Now the flour incorporated with all the liquid and the sugar and the butter. You got your little cookie dough. Get some flour on your hands, and all you gotta do is roll it up. You wanna get 24 cuts. You're just gonna place them.
And then they're just gonna do their thing in the
That's
oven.
it. 330 for 9 minutes. So now we're gonna make the icing for the top. So we have heavy cream and powdered sugar. And you're gonna squeeze a lemon.
That lemon's probably gonna add a nice
Yeah, it's got a nice tang
little
to
flavor,
it.
yeah.
Now you're gonna whisk. You wanna get it nice and soft where it's creamy. I'm gonna ice.
And I'm gonna
And
sprinkle.
you're gonna sprinkle. Perfect, you've done this before. There you go. The Italian ricotta cookies.
Look at that. Head to our website, news12.com, and learn how to make it. Thank you so much, Frankie.
All right. Thank you.